all friends, I hope you all are good. Now starting project presentation. My project name is Home Booking System using PHP and MySQL. This is the source code of my projects. This is the first page, home page of my project. This is book.php, means booking PHP page. This is a database insertion code. This is the contact page code. This is CSS external file. This is the home about section page. These are the all source code of my projects. Now we run project on Google. This is the project folder, run on localhost. My project first home page display. This is the first screen of my project. This is the heading section, welcome to home booking. When user will booking home, click on booking menu. The next page is open immediately. Numbers of home available on this website. First user click on book now and fill all required information. After filling, click on book button. It display toast message using JS. Your booking is successfully. Do payment now. This is the next stage of after booking home. Click on payment. Fill all required information. Select bank. Enter credit card number. Security code CVV. Card expiration. Enter amount. Click on payment order. Display message, your payment is success, thank you for booking. Some issue occur, click on contact button. Fill all required information and submit. This is the about section. This website is fully responsive. This is the overall presentation of home booking project. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to source code this project, comment me personally. I will share my GitHub link. Thank you once again.